Welcome to my channel, Byte Tech. How to fix error no module named Win32gui in VSCode, showing an error. Fixing an error, click on the terminal and then select New Terminal. Next, enter the command python-mpip install pywin32 and press Enter. Now the program started without errors. I will write down all the commands used in this video and post them in the description below this video. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to receive new video notifications, subscribe to my channel. If you have suggestions on a topic that interests you, write in the comments below this video. If you like my videos and would like to support me, you can buy me a coffee here.